If you're shopping for an enclosed trailer, you're eventually going to hear someone say, you want Polycore, or aluminum is the only way to go. Today, we're gonna slow down this conversation way down, because this decision affects how your trailer holds up for years, not just how it looks when it's new. This is not a brochure conversation. This is what we actually see after trailers get used. We sell enclosed trailers, we service them, we see them when they're brand new, we see them when they're 5, 10, 15 years old. We see water leaks, we see dents, we see delamination, we see what holds up and what doesn't. So if you're about to spend real money on a trailer, this video will probably save you from buying the wrong one. So let's start with Polycore, because this is usually one that people don't fully understand. So this is a Polycore trailer. What is different about this and what you're actually seeing is aluminum. What do I mean by that? Well, this is actually a composite. Basically picture a sandwich, and in between two aluminum skin layers is plastic. So let's look on the edge of this trailer to give you guys a little bit better understanding right here. So here we are at the seam of the trailer. This inside edge right here, this is actually a plastic or a composite. This outer edge is aluminum. So it's got an aluminum skin here, aluminum on the other side. And one thing you'll notice, this is quite thick. If I look over here to something that's just a straight aluminum, much thinner. So this particular trailer is actually a 0.080 millimeter trailer. So you got a lot thicker, sturdier component. It's got a very different sound and structure to it than that aluminum siding. So let's talk about those pros of a Polycore trailer. Number one, this absolutely has the look. So you notice this is screwless. There's no screws right here. Looking down the side, there are no ripples to this either. This is just a really sharp looking trailer. Number two, this is actually gonna act more as an insulation barrier as well. So because this is thicker, when you are in the summertime, your trailer will actually act a little bit cooler. When you are in the wintertime, it will actually act a little bit warmer. So it's a natural insulator as well, which is a huge pro. And then lastly, with that thicker barrier, you're gonna notice quite a bit of a noise difference in there. If you're ramping something inside, that noise is not gonna escape the trailer nearly as easily. Maybe you are camping, you know, some of these are things that people like to do in the trailer. They don't want the outside noise. This is something that could be a huge benefit to you as well. And then lastly, something that I already touched on is that wall stiffness. This is, because thicker, significantly stiffer, a lot more rigid. But let's talk about the cons. This is where I see people get a little bit surprised. So number one, this typically costs more money when you're getting it, right? That's a con in and of itself, but that goes true if you actually damage this as well. It is much more affordable, much more simple of a repair to replace aluminum siding versus this Polycore. To replace a sheet of aluminum is significantly different. A lot of the time there are screws. This has an entire gluing process that it really takes some know-how if you're getting in there to perform that repair. Another thing is water intrusion matters a lot more. If you get water inside this, it can cause delamination. Now, does this mean that it's an absolute prevalent problem that you need to look out for? Not necessarily. And does that mean that Polycore leaks more? No. What matters is installation quality more than on an aluminum trailer. And lastly, as I touched on before, this is typically significantly more in cost. So you are going to be paying more for this option right here. So now let's talk about aluminum. You may see a trailer with aluminum siding. It could look very much like this. You're going to see screws on every single stud right here. This happens to be a 24-inch on center trailer. We can look over here to kind of drive this point home. This is a 16-inch on center model that is semi-screwless. This actually has studs right here and is partially glued, but still has screws. You could absolutely still get a screwless exterior just like this. All of the trailers that I just showed you are a 0.030 aluminum siding. So obviously less screws, I think tend to look a little bit better. But even with no screws like this, I think there's something to the Polycore, something to the stiffness, that there's a little bit of lack of rigidity to this in comparison, that you could see the rippling, you could see that wave effect. And I think it matters a lot more, you know, even on trailers like this, that every single time you're gonna see these screws, it will suck it in just a little bit more. So it's just not gonna look quite as good. But regardless, you can see that upfront difference, and I'm getting into the cons here. Let's talk about the pros of an aluminum skinned trailer. And I'll say that some of the cons of that Polycore end up being pros in this realm. This is a lot easier to make repairs. if I want to replace this one sheet, I'm usually just dealing with some screws. It's a lot easier to do repairs. It's a lot more affordable because this is not as expensive as well. And no matter what you say, this absolutely has proven longevity. This has been the standard in trailers for years and years and years. If it's not broke, don't fix it. Absolutely could apply in this case. And to go with everything we've been talking about, this has a lower entry cost. So this will be a more affordable option compared to that Polycore. And to go with some of those cost things, I think this is just simply a more forgiving trailer. Scratches, dents, whatever. It's not as big of a deal when you have an aluminum skin trailer. But compared to that Polycore option, you're gonna have some negatives that will come along with this as well. Like I mentioned, with a thinner wall, you're gonna have more noise you're gonna hear outside. And then besides this, looks keeps coming in, this is gonna show age a lot faster than that Polycore option would. So in my opinion, this is not a question of what's better, Polycore or having that aluminum skin. It's really, what are you looking to use it for? Because it completely depends based on the things I've said, what might make sense in your application. Aluminum makes sense if it's something like lawn care, construction, daily loading, unloading, budget focused. You expect dents. You're buying a tool, not a showpiece. Polycore makes sense if you're using it for motorcycles, snowmobiles, ATVs, expensive equipment. You want insulation and quiet. You care about protection and comfort. Here's what people get wrong. There is no best siding. There is only the right trailer for your use. Or worse yet, the wrong trailer for your use. Most problems come from buying the wrong trailer, not the wrong trailer itself. So here's my final advice. Don't let someone sell you on the features you need. Tell the dealer what you're hauling, how often, how rough your use is, how long you plan to keep it. A good dealer will guide you, not push you. If you want an honest recommendation based on your use, come see us at How Equipment. We're located in Jackson, Michigan. We'd be happy to help you. And we believe in transparency and getting you in the trailer for your needs. And if this video helped, subscribe. We do a lot of videos based on your real world needs, and we'd be happy to help you. And until the next video, we'll see you.